everyone, so here's my family room. It's currently a hot mess. I've taken all my spring decor, put it over here on this couch, and you can see Rylan has been here. He has his reindeer and my votive there. I have an exercise bar here, toys, my waterfall. I need to get it cleaned up and get it running. Bar cart area here. Grandkids been here, but they're gone right now with their mom. And so I'm just going to go ahead and tidy up in here. I have a box of photos here I need to go through. Tidy up in here. And I'm thinking I'm going to just change the whole room around because I haven't done it in a while. Oh, look at all that mess. So I'm going to see if I can get me a little help in here. Okay, love, so what I'm going to do to this family room is done for today. It took me the whole day to do this family room with the help of my daughter and my husband. We moved some items around. We did some dusting, and we attempted to move my TV to the other wall, but that didn't work because we thought we had wireless cable, but we don't have wireless cable in this room, so I couldn't move my TV because the cable wire is behind the TV. So I put a request for them to send me a wireless connector for that TV so I can move it when I'm ready. But I ended up putting my bar cart over there. It won't move from one side of the wall to the other. We dusted off the bookshelves, put the items back on there, and I moved my water feature from the opposite side of the room to this side of the room. My water feature is starting to rust in a lot of places, and I'm trying to come up with an alternative so I can keep my water feature, possibly even spray painting the mirror section so I can't see the rust. It's really rusted at the bottom. You can see a little bit of the rust here, but most of my rust is at the bottom. So eventually, probably after the coronavirus is up, since I've been saving so much money without shopping, I'm probably going to revamp this room. I want some chrome bookshelves instead of the wood ones. Now remember, my style used to be traditional, so I purchased these shelves when my style was traditional, so I'm no longer traditional, so I want to upgrade those to something glam. These drapes, I love them, but I would love to have some drapes to go up a little bit higher, and maybe some that'll fall down to the floor. I need me some more wall art because what I've been doing is playing around with the wall art that I have, moving it around from room to room just to give rooms a different look. So then I would like to upgrade my mirrors. I've been having these mirrors for a very long time. I would like to upgrade those, and I would like to get rid of these wall shelves here. And I'm loving my bar cart, so nothing's going to happen to that. I actually really love my fireplace. So if anything happens to this, it'll probably get painted. Maybe, I don't know, a light gray or maybe even black. I'm not sure. We'll just see what goes on between now and the time that I start refreshing this room. Definitely going to end up, so that's this corner of the room over here. I'm definitely going to end up getting me a new area rug because I threw the other one that I had away because it was so worn out. I went ahead and just pulled it up. I found this one and I washed it and put that one down. Looking to getting more sofas because these I've had for many years. They're starting to change brown in some portions of it, and pretty much just revamp this room all together. And I do plan on putting vinyl plank in my whole home. So this will be one of the rooms that I end up adding the vinyl planking in as well. So that's pretty much all that I have going on right now in my family room. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. I had, with the help of my husband and my daughter, we dust cleaned and everything is nice and orderly. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.